Okay, so I found my glue spreader. I was looking for it, so I'll start over again. Here we are again. So here's our surface we're going to be gluing to. So I'm going to spread it all out there and then spread it all out here. Clamp them down so they don't move, and then clamp them together and let them sit. I just got some parchment paper put down underneath because you don't want your product to stick to the table. So let's start gluing this up. This is Gorilla wood glue. It's really good stuff. I've had really good success with it. A lot of people use, when they're doing instruments, they use proper hide glue or the tight bond, but I find this stuff, once you get it on, it's like it's hard to get off. I've done maple, no problems. There, I think that's enough glue. Spread this all over here. Speed it up. I don't know. I haven't figured that out in videos, how to speed up parts. I'm not sure how you do that, but I'm learning. I used to know more than this one time, but I just don't bother the computer like I used to. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna just spread that back this way a bit. There. Let you guys see too. I'm here just doing my own thing and not watching the camera. I'll tell you, I'm gonna fire myself. Okay, that's pretty good. So we're gonna squish this around a bit. There. Wipe that off. Okay, good to go. Now, let's turn this one over and clamp it down. I just got small clamps. I might clamp it together with the bigger clamps. Turn this one over, put it in place. I'll move it back and forth a bit. Work that glue in there. And I'm going to leave this one a bit proud because I'm going to put it on the sander again afterwards. Maybe that's a little too proud there. Just a little bit proud. Okay, clamp that one down. Now they can't move. So I have these. Oops. I have these trigger clamps. Oh, that reminds me, I'm going to have to put some more parchment paper before I glue that up. I'm going to put some more parchment paper on over that because I don't want to glue my clamps. Well, I guess it'll come off as a rubber, but I don't like getting glue all over them. So I'm just gonna, go in that way. There. Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot. They moved big time. So I used to have, there, I moved it up there. Stick that there again. Usually when you cut this, you get a couple of equal 15-degree wedges that fit right in here, and then you can clamp it no problem. But this is start wanting to slide, so what I'm going to do Says I'm going to get my drill out again. Should never put this thing away till you're sure you don't need it. Get my drill out. Impact drill and a couple screws. Actually, here's a thing I got here. I can actually use this as a block. And guaranteed, everything you put down gets in the way of something else. Never seen it any different. Now, see, that's in the way now. Man. Okay, let's move this back this way slightly. Well, move the whole thing. There, try that. Good Lord, getting glue on everything. Oh, come on. It's starting to stick already. Wow, this stuff is usually 20 minutes. And now, I got my paper tore. Murphy's Law, I'd say. Okay, well that's crap now, so. Ugh. Glue everywhere. I don't want to glue that to the table here. As you can see around here, nothing ever goes as smooth as you see it in your mind. Okay, something like that. Something like that. Okay, try this again. There. Okay. Let's put these. There. It's going to stop it from sliding that way. Plus, where did I put? Oh, over here. Put this on. I'll do same on this end. Oh, I need a little strip of something. Okay, nothing in there. Usually an old piece hanging around. What did I do? Oh, here it is. There. That's not any good anyway, so let's break that. Let's use this piece. Like that. Oops. Now she's up too far. About there somewhere. Okay. Like I said, everything gets in the way of everything else. I don't know if you noticed or not, I'm working on my trailer. I live in my trailer and I work in my trailer. There. No, let's push that a little bit that way. There we go. Oh, she split. Of course, I should have pre-drilled that. Not having very much luck, Gary. That's good and dry. Okay. Oh well, I guess I'm taking my drill out after all. Another battery. Take out a bit. There's one. What the heck was that? Yep, put that over there. Okay, we got a piece left there. Okay. This time I'll be more gentler. Okay. It goes that way a bit. That's too far. See, that's a bit proud there. Over this way a bit. Okay, about there. Good enough. Now it should move that way. So, where's that other clamp? Yeah, I think I'm going to put this up this way. Turn it up this way. Okay, tighten these up. Okay, you know what? I might actually ow. Yeah, I think I'll use my Bissy clamps on this. They got the rubber on them. So, put one there. You can get more pressure on those too. And now, that way, that way. Okay, we might be able to get, I got another one, I'm going to put one on. Let's see. Make sure to line up. Oh, that's not. That's got to come down. Make these line up. Okay, now sure would be nice to get one. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. What am I doing? This way. Now I can get at it. There. That's working good. Now, is that down? Nope. So, another bissy clamp, if I can get it in there, just to hold that down. No, gotta fit it in there somewhere. Okay, it might work this way. There we go. A little bit more. That's close. There we go. Okay. That should keep things in good. If I just stopper back on that. Okay. Now we leave it set.